Good morning, everyone. It's me again. My name is Mary Ann. This is our channel, Ecom Family. Welcome. If you are new, if you're already a subscriber, thank you for watching our video again. Today, it is a beautiful day here in the Philippines. This is the place where we are today, here at the beach. Look. It is around, what time is it? No, before 8 o'clock in the morning. This is the beach. And this is cottages here. They have cottages here where you can rent for 500 pesos. There's 1,000 pesos. It depends on how big the cottage you want. So here's some of the cottages. But this time, because we have some kind of ordinance where it's something to do with COVID, so they're not letting a lot of people come in here. So hopefully this COVID thing will get done so everybody can come here and enjoy, right?
Hi.
And here's the children. They're already soaking themselves in the water. Hi, Jaros.
Like
and that's Liz.
At least walk in it.
Look at the water. It's so calm. Let's go. But unfortunately, I will not be able to swim today because, I have my monthly problem. So maybe next time when we come back, I will definitely hop in the water. But right now, maybe up to my knees only. That's it. Is that nice, Lizzie? Nice? She loves the water. We are planning to stay here the whole day. So... Look at that man. He's sunbathing. And look at this little guy here. I think he's building something. Yep. Well, 15 years ago, this place wasn't like this. There was no cottages here. You just come over here and go into the water. That was when I was still young here, like grade school. We always come here and enjoy the water. But this time they develop it. They have cottages, and you have to rent those cottages. Before there wasn't. It is a beautiful day once again. Look, here they are. The water is so blue. There are a few people there swimming like that. But other than that, nobody's here. Nobody's here. I'm trying to turn the camera slow so you can see very well. Yeah, beautiful. And this is our first time here. I mean, especially my family, our two girls and my husband in this place. And this is our second time here at the beach since we arrived here in the Philippines last March 7th. Very nice. This walk. Liz is calling me. She said, "Mom, come over here." Yeah, let's walk somewhere here. Let's some people. Somebody is going to getting ready for fishing. Fishing maybe. Let's see what's the water feels like. Ooh, it's nice. It's not cold. It's nice. Very nice. I'm wearing water shoes. I bought water shoes before we left United States and brought it here. So I'm glad I bought this. I'm so jealous. They're really enjoying the water. Look at the first tree. That's my husband, my daughter, and my nephew. Nice. Alright everybody, see you later. Alright everyone, as you can see, as you can see behind me, that's the beautiful water there. And I think this is almost 6-minute video, so I decided to end this video, and hopefully you enjoy watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment below. We would like to read your comments. And please, I heard something. I got distracted. Again, please don't forget to subscribe. Take care everyone. Stay safe, and most of all, pray and God bless. Bye. Regards to our friends in the United States. Not only our friends, but of course our family in the United States, Delaware, and New York. Hello everybody!